let's segue into how you and your team here at Spireon use the Harmonic platform. So if you can share a little around that.
Sure. Our team uses Harmonic to extend the reach and usefulness of our webinars. We snackify every webinar and then offer the content to our target audience in different formats to draw them in. One format we use is sending emails to encourage those who missed the webinar to watch it, sometimes months later, and we get a good lead generation from that. But if you can forward to the next slide, we'll see one of our key uses is here. We have a resource center on our website where we post our webinar recordings. So with Harmonic, we were able to add what we call a video bite. I know you call them Snackify, but we refer to them as video bites. One of the segments from the full webinar, which visitors can view without having to submit information on a gated page, which of course sometimes stops people from engaging. Being able to view these video bites allows them to get a feel for whether the webinar recording will be worth their time. And if we can advance to the next slide. This shows how we do this for a variety of webinars, as opposed to the previous slide, which was a featured webinar at the top of the page. So here you can see that we offer video bites for a variety of webinars on our page so that people can see the variety that we have. They can get a taste for what the content offers, and this tends to engage people even more. And if you advance to the next slide, once they have clicked on that single video bite, they are taken to a landing page, which is what you're seeing here, where they're given the opportunity to watch more video bites or to watch the full webinar recording. We're finding this is an excellent way to draw people in, and as I said, reassure them that the recording is worth their time. Of course, we always try to choose the strongest clip from the webinar as the teaser, if you will, to interest them.
That's phenomenal. I love the way you all are using Harmonic and really catering to your audience, because who has time these days working from home with kids and everything else going on in most people's lives to sit through very, very long recordings? And the way you've thought about your use case, the way you are presenting it to your customers, your audience, in terms of giving them more appetizing ways to enter your funnel, consume a little bit of the content, and then keep moving gradually through the funnel. I think that's just phenomenal.